Dawn awakens the mountains with quiet, golden light. Together, they begin building a home for tomorrow.
High above the forest floor, the bald eagle prepares for a new generation.
A new chapter begins with quiet devotion and hope. In a heartbeat, the eagle becomes living lightning. The peaceful lake erupts beneath his strike. Powerful talons lock onto the struggling fish. Strength finally overcomes desperate resistance. Evening brings the hunter home once more. Hope returns with every successful hunt. Without hesitation, the hunter begins his deadly dive. At the final instant, the rabbit escapes into cover. The wedge-tailed eagle uses the morning thermals, effortlessly climbing to survey its vast kingdom below. This time, every movement is perfectly timed. Powerful talons end the chase in a single strike.
A moment of triumph high in the tallest pine. Two tiny eaglets emerge, secured beneath the watchful eyes of their parents.
Their fragile cries fill the nest with new hope. Parenthood demands even greater sacrifice each day.
A small field mouse becomes the family's next meal.
Every bite is shared with gentle care. With every sunrise, the young eagles grow stronger. The hunt begins. The eagle locks onto the massive rattlesnake, a dangerous meal basking on the rocks below. The hunter dives toward a dangerous new opponent. Its counterattack is swift. Only millimeters separate victory from defeat. one perfect strike finally ends the dangerous fight. Each practice prepares them for the open sky. Driven by instinct, the king snake ascends. High in the canopy, the eagle's nest remains vulnerable to this silent predator of the pines. The frightened eaglets cry out for their mother. Talons and beak strike with fearless determination. Branches snap as the fierce battle shakes the nest. United by love, the eagle family soars into forever. Every chick has survived the terrible attack. Their wings become a living shield of protection. Night quietly settles across the peaceful wilderness. The young eagles grow strong enough to face the sky. One brave leap begins a lifetime of freedom. High above the rugged peaks, the bald eagle family braves the powerful winds, a testament to their enduring strength at sunrise. Every sacrifice becomes the foundation of tomorrow. Above the endless ranges, the sheer scale of the wilderness is breathtaking. Here, the stellar sea eagle reigns supreme. Their story becomes part of the wild forever.